First, trim off the ends of the zucchini and then cut it in half. Slice it into pieces of an appropriate thickness. Next, soak 1 rice paper in cold water. Place a piece of sliced zucchini on it. Initially, the rice papers might be firm, but they will soften after 10-20 seconds. Fold one side of the rice paper over the zucchini. Then fold the other side, and finally fold in the sides. Next, coat the wrapped zucchini in breadcrumbs. If the breadcrumbs don't stick well, lightly brush the surface of the rice paper with water, which will help the breadcrumbs adhere better. Heat a pan and pour about 2 tablespoons of oil. Place the zucchini pieces in the pan one by one. Cook them over medium-high heat for about 3 minutes on each side until they turn golden brown. After 3 minutes, flip each piece. Can you hear the crispy sound? After another 3 minutes, transfer the zucchini pieces to a plate and serve them. They will be delicious when dipped in sweet chili sauce or pasta sauce. Crispy and delicious zucchini rice paper is done. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.